And so we got a place there and stayed. It had electricity, it had fans, which if you've ever been into East Texas in the summertime, it was hot. So we went to this place, Turkey Creek Trail, got back there a ways and left the trail because I was finding, breaks at heights that suggested to me that it was possible there was something going on. And there was a big one off trail. So I wanted to go back and check it out. And again, there was something that was kind of drawing me to it. And as I went back there, I was wearing a GoPro and I had my buddy wearing a GoPro just because we wanted to document as much of whatever we were, we were out looking for evidence of Bigfoot. Before I left the trail, we heard what sounded like two kind of birds